Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kushsusuana Coach, and if you're a returning subscriber, I say welcome back to this channel. And if you're a new subscriber, please don't go away. Do stay here because you're going to enjoy every bit of content I put out here. So please do stay and thank you for joining us today. So today guys, I'm going to actually put you guys on this hair growth oil I've been using for quite some time now, but then I said this 2024 I'm not going to do any gatekeeping, so I'm going to put you guys on. Yes, you, you, you. I'm going to put all of you on. Today, the product we are going to use is actually basic products or basic ingredients you are going to get at your any local shop around you. So today the ingredients we are going to use are just three, and these three ingredients can be found in your kitchen at your home. Yes, unless you don't have some, then you can just go to any local shop around your neighborhood to get this ingredient. So the first ingredient you're going to use is rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves, has a whole lot of benefits, so today it's one of the main ingredients we are going to use. And the second ingredient, we are going in with our cloves, and cloves is actually good. I'm going to put the health benefits of each and every ingredient I've mentioned here in the description box, so you can actually find your time to read it. And also the third ingredient is cinnamon, and please, cinnamon is actually optional for those who are allergic to cinnamon because of its strong smell or something like that. People do not really like it, but I like cinnamon because of its minty feel. When I apply it on my scalp or onto my scalp, it gives me that amazing feel. So these are the three main ingredients we are going to use, and you can actually get any oil you are comfortable with, but I use jojoba oil, rosemary leaves, the cloves, and the cinnamon oil. And I've actually been using this oil, so you can see even the bottle is crumpled. I've been using this oil for some time now, and it's very good. I've actually done a video on the rosemary water. You can actually check my channel to see how I prepare the rosemary water. And this is the oil. I'm going to make a different video on how to make the rosemary oil. So today will be basically day one using the oil. So I'm going to actually also teach you guys how to apply this oil on your scalp. So let's get into the video. So the first thing is that when you open your bottle, I don't know if you're going to use a spray bottle, you just, yeah, so on the scalp of your hair, because I'm not having a mirror, so pardon me if I'm struggling to see my back, but and actually if your hair is not growing or you don't have good hair, do apply some here, and you're going to see an improvement. And I'm going to make sure I actually show you guys a video on how this hair, maybe I'll do it a week, or let's say 4 days or 3 days, to I'll make a video again in the next 3 days so that you guys will see the improvement of the hair growth. And I know you're going to love this oil and you can just do it at home. The ingredients are basic ingredients. You can actually get it in any local shop in your area. So guys, this is the oil and I know you're going to try it at home. So if you want to try this at home, you can start the journey together. Maybe mine will be, if you are seeing this video, it might be a day 2 for you, but this is a day 1 for me. So just get the ingredients and let's start this journey together. Okay, so thank you for watching the video and I know you're going to come back with a result in the comment section that it actually did work for you. Same way, I'm going to show you the improvement. This is actually going to work for you. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, you like and subscribe my channel for more DIY like this. This is actually the best hair growth oil you're going to come across. So until that note, peace out.